What up, YouTube? What's going on? This is O'Neal Parker here, aka Real Estate Paid Entrepreneur on Instagram. Make sure you go follow me. Shh, I'm making a video. But anyway, what's going on, everybody? It's been a minute. I know. I just sold my first house that I built 3 years ago. It's about time, right? Well, it really went on the market too long, honestly. Okay, we just sold it. That was the longest closing I ever had. The closing was at 9 o'clock. I didn't get the check till, what time was it? I think it was like 11, almost 11:30. But yeah, that was super long. The proceeds of the check right here, $17,323. And I think I'm getting like some money back from the last house payment I did. And she said I might be getting some more money back from paying the taxes or something like that. So I got well, I was supposed to get way more money than that. I was supposed to get I don't know what's the total, but $5,800 more, but I put $5,800 towards closing costs. So we just close it out, walk away, and move on to the next thing. So the next thing for me would be to look for a fourplex. If I can't find one, I'll probably just find some land and build one. And I'll use my FHA loan with that, which only was only 3.5% down payment. So there's the next thing. But man, I'm ready for 2019. A couple days away. Looking to buy 15 to 20 rentals. I hope y'all stick with me throughout the whole journey, because I'm sticking with y'all throughout the whole journey. I'm probably documenting everything. And I'm not showing y'all this check to show off or nothing like that. I'm just showing y'all to, and not to impress you, but to impress upon you that, man, we doing this business. All right. So 2019, we looking to blow up. So y'all stick with me. I'll get back with y'all. I'm about to go put this in the bank. I'll see y'all in a few. Hey, if you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome and hit that subscribe button down below right now. It takes zero effort. Hit that button for me, man. What up, what up, what up? Got a lead from a wholesaler. Well, I got a couple leads. I got about, I think 6 of them. Got a little trailer park. This is the house right here. Y'all can look at it with me. I know the first thing I look at is the outside. Try to take a little peek at the roof. The paint looked like it's in good condition on the outside. It's a small house. There's a house behind a couple houses, so it's not that much of a yard, but it's in a great rental area. Central AC, paint chip in the back, little soffit issues down there, up there. Sorry about that. Let's go take a look at the inside real quick. All right, we enter in the house. Like a little living room area. Go straight into the kitchen. This is a closed-in garage. They made it another room. Big AC room. It's kind of cold in here. Super cold in here. Just drops down to another room. Back. This will be laundry room, wash and dry connection, water heater. You don't normally see a laundry room in lower income area. That's kind of weird. But let's see what else we got here. Bedroom. It's a nice size room. Not too bad. Bathroom. Oh my God. This looks horrible. I guess they're working on that. Don't look too good. Got some black stuff there. The bathroom need a little. Well, the shower by itself, the shower needs some work. We got a central AC unit. Y'all see it outside? That's always a plus. Y'all get a little bit more rent when it comes to that. It's a nice size room as well. To me, asking $35 for it. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. I could rent this for $800 to $850, but I don't know. It's usually not my type of house. It might be too high. But it is too high for me. Maybe I'd probably do it for $25. Because if you look at it, you have no view as a house. You're looking at other houses, you know? That's a couple of negatives. You know? Nobody's gonna want to live here long term with that type of view, and I like long term tenants, so I'll see. If I can get it under 30, maybe, but I definitely wouldn't pay over 30 for this. But if this house was somewhere else in the front, then that'd be better. But it might be a little harder to rent when the house is behind another house. It's kind of weird. But y'all stay tuned. I'm going to look at another house too. What up? We had another property, Central AC. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, I think. I'm just walking around the house. This house is on piers, little blocks. I know everybody don't know what that is, but the whole house is on blocks like that. Blocks and beams, my bad. I don't want to just say it's on blocks. It's a solid house. Asking $45,000 for this. Too much, you know. It's always too much for an investor. Just sitting right here. Got the shorty sitting inside.